Hi. Today you will see a lot of crazy cases when people were one step away from imminent and irrevocable death. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
Racing boats are very light, so sometimes this activity becomes completely unsafe, for example, as in this video. Having accelerated enough, the boat decided to do a backflip to please the audience and at the same time scare the shit out of its driver. From afar, the boat resembles a very detailed plastic toy. The asphalt collapsed right under the man's feet, but he didn't even realize it right away. Having assessed the situation, he was shocked, as were the eyewitnesses of the incident. Imagine what this parachutist experienced after approaching wind turbines. I think the smell from his pants will not be pleasant. The author of this video was lucky not only to capture the collapse of the bridge on camera, but also to stay alive. The man did not even suspect that a crocodile was swimming after him who wanted to attack him. The diver decided to film the shark with the help of a glass structure in which he was. But the shark definitely didn't like this idea. Her strength was enough to turn the box over, which made this extreme nervous. Fortunately, the experiment was monitored and the guy was helped to escape. The driver of the black crossover was incredibly lucky. In a split second, he was able to outrun the banner falling straight to the ground. On the coast of Malaysian Georgetown, a water tornado raged, which for several minutes decisively moved towards the city. But at the last moment he seemed to change his mind and disappeared into thin air. It would seem that the danger has receded. But despite the spectacular video, the natural disaster still managed to destroy a couple dozen houses and knock down trees on the coast. Probably the man decided to test the capabilities of the SUV. He and the passengers were very lucky that the wreckage of the car did not injure them. This situation resembles footage from the Final Destination. The driver was moving at a speed of over 200 kilometers per hour. At the same time, he managed to brake carefully but quickly in order to avoid a collision with another car, the driver of which did not really look in the rear-view mirrors. After such videos, you realize that danger can be waiting for you from everywhere at all, and there is no escape from this. Surprisingly, this man had a heart attack during an appointment with a cardiologist. Even the doctor did not expect this, but was able to give him first aid. This guy was definitely in the wrong place at the wrong time. But he managed to dodge 4 times from passing bicycles and avoid injury. The ferocious bear tried to attack the hunter, but when he saw the gun, he changed his mind about doing it. The double-barreled shotgun is still a good argument. Some people are willing to do a lot for the sake of a spectacular shot. A vivid video by Ukrainian photographer Nazar Doroshkevich has become a real sensation. A man in a bathrobe drinks morning coffee standing on a balloon, which has risen so high into the sky that an airplane flies next to the balloon. The helicopter pilot was able to cope with a situation that left almost no chance of a good outcome. It reminds you of something, doesn't it? During the World Championship in Macau, a sports car race ended in a massive accident. The first 3 cars passed the track without problems, but the Spanish racer who was riding fourth crashed into the wall, and then everything went according to the domino principle. 15 sports cars began to crash into each other, the track had to be cleared with the help of cranes, and the race was eventually resumed by only 8 cars out of 20. The truck driver miraculously managed to avoid a collision with other cars. Fortunately, there was not a single pedestrian on the sidewalk. That's why all athletes should be attentive. The cyclist did not expect that this guy would be on his way. Fortunately for both of them, everything ended well. Even during such a calm and relaxing activity as fishing, something can happen that you don't expect at all, for example, an explosion. I believe this fisherman will return home today with a huge basket of stunned fish. I believe that after this incident, the first thing this guy will buy in the store will be the thickest safety glasses. The guy himself did not expect how epic his jump into the pool would be. After the first wave washed over the girl, she made the right decision and ran away, as it turned out, not in vain. The girl got ready to dive, but suddenly a shark appeared out of the water. The predator seemed to warn her that this is definitely not the best place for entertainment. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave your like and subscribe because there will be a lot of interesting things soon. See you soon. Peace.